Hey, how's it going? My name's Morgan Truitt, and for my project, I decided I wanted to work with animated movies. In particular, I kind of just figured that I would use a list that was like kind of short, but not too short. And ultimately, I landed on a list published by Forbes of the 30 best animated movies of all time. Um, so yeah, I figured I'd use them, and let's just jump right into it. So on screen here, you're going to see my Excel spreadsheet of the information I decided to include in my database. Basically, I just broke down each of the films into five categories: title, release year, the director or directors who worked on the film, um, and the animation studios that worked on the film, as well as the country of origin. I figured these were all categories that were most likely to be searched. Just about movies in general, and I figured that would be the best option for, that also ultimately ended up being why I chose to use them. So, yeah, everything was going a-okay up until, I tried to put that Excel spreadsheet into SQL, and you can see that things kind of went a little bit south for me. I went in, made a new database for the project. I made the table and I created new columns to plug everything into. I uploaded it as a CSV file. Um, I ultimately just kept getting like a variety of different error messages, and the one that's on screen right now was kind of just my last straw. I figured I've got to be doing something wrong, and it's better that I ask and not try to sit here and fiddle with it all day, all night, all day, every day. It's just I don't think I'm going to be learning anything if I'm just kind of button mashing about it. You know what I mean? So the current state of my database is that Postgre just won't recognize information from the workbook, and I really am not sure what to do. I even like I took it even one step further, and I was like, okay, maybe I can just manually enter all this information, just you know coding it into the system here. And it'll return stuff like it'll return insert 030, but the thing about that is that like it's not inputting the data, and I have to be doing something wrong. Like it has to be a me problem, I think. But ultimately I think I need some like rubber ducking to just get me through this, because I'm really not 100% certain what's happening. So yeah, like I've been saying in the past, the past couple slides here, I've been rambling about. I would just really appreciate some feedback, some assistance. I need help with this. I've consulted a couple different friends who work in computer science about this. I googled around. I even consulted ChatGPT, and I just nothing, no solutions that anybody or anything presents to me seems to be working. Um, so I would really appreciate some feedback on this, and some help so that I can understand and learn this better. I'm a little lost at the moment, so thank you for listening. I really appreciate it, and I would appreciate if you got back to me on it. Thank you so much.